Alright, so many of you guys asked how this is being powered. I've got this dual USB port right here, quick charge 3.0. One is for my helmet. This power comes up here. This quick disconnect here. And then this one goes up to my helmet when I'm riding. The top one is wired up here. Goes up. Here's a ram ball. 1/4 inch goes into the mirror screw-in thing. Because we've got the mirrors up here, this one's unused. So we got a ram ball mount here, a long ram arm, and then this is the tack form aluminum GoPro mount and screw, and a composite ball. This one seems to grip a lot better onto the ram ball than the metal ball that I had earlier that just had a rubber ring. Then this is the Insta360 skeleton selfie stick for the motorcycle kit, and then I swapped out this to a metal thread because I just didn't trust the plastic one with all that weight. And then of course this is the Inst360 R. I removed the door, just yank it out, whatever, and then now I have continuous power threaded through here to the USB charger, which also has the voltmeter, so I know what the load is on the battery. But overall, it works pretty damn great.